Hey guys, today I have an issue about scam insurance. Scam insurance is NRMA insurance. They don't have office in Brisbane, and I had a claim which happened in 2024 October. There was a lady who hit my car, and then she tried to run. I called the police. The police arrived, and then when the police came, and then they got her license, and already I got the plate number, everything, and they said just send only this to the insurance. And I said, all right. I sent the details of that lady to the insurance, and then the next week they told me to take the car to the repairers where they told me to take it to, and then they told me to pay the access fee before they get the other party. I paid the access fee. I'm gonna show you here that I've paid the access fee. From 2024 October up to now, I was complaining about why they're not refunding my money back. And then they told me to go to the police. I went to the police park, and then because they said go to the police, let the police get the residential address of that lady. And then they said we can't give it to you, but if the insurance request from us, they have a link with us, and then we can give it to them because we have a link. They have a relation. I called them back, NRMA insurance, and then they said, okay. So from that day up to yesterday, 2nd of March 2026, I've been calling them, contacting them, asking them, complaining and claiming that money of my access fee. They sent me email saying that you have already paid the access fee. We contacted the police, and they said we can't give you further information about that lady's address. So what I'm telling you is, like, NRM insurance is a scammers, is a racist, because the way they spoke to me is like when they understand like I'm not speaking the way they speak. I'm not from them. They said to me like, we can't do anything for you, because for them, once I pay the money, that's what they want. And then they said we have finalized the claim. For what? I'm still here complaining. How can you finalize when I'm here? You can finalize when I tell you finalize it. I have everything, got it. But when you have not got for me the other party, when you have not paid my money, how can you finalize it? So guys, if your insurance NRMA insurance, I'm saying to you, you are scammers. If you don't give me back my money, if you don't send me money, you're scammers, racist, and the world will see you. And I'll show you here I have paid. I'll show you here that you said we contact the police. When you are lying, you didn't contact the police. The police will give you the address if you request, but not me. I can't go to them and then say give me the address of that lady, because for the safety, and it's true. So guys, watch out, NRMA insurance.